Bringing a fresh business dream to life mostly means dealing with a massive headache of design bills and confusing tech tools. Honestly, think about the visual pieces that you absolutely need to open your doors. A recognizable logo, a functional website, and basic business cards. Those are the bare minimums, right? Does it really make sense to empty your wallet for a specialist just for that? Today, we are checking out Design.com, a unified AI creative hub built for real-world companies. We will guide you through how this tool creates beautiful assets using smart software to build your entire public image right from the start. So, let's get started. First, let us look at the foundation of any brand identity, which is the logo. When we land on the platform's homepage at Design.com, our creative journey begins right there by typing a specific, detailed prompt directly into the main search field to describe our vision. Then we can include our business name, industry, style, or other visual directions. Within seconds, it comes up with all the amazing logo options that we can use. After picking one, the platform then seamlessly routes us to the dedicated Logo Maker tool to make any further changes. We can do it in both ways, manually updating the logo as we want, or just explaining the AI exactly what we want. The AI does the rest for us. The platform holds the title of the #1 logo company in the world, carrying a solid 4.7 rating on Trustpilot from over 4,000 real reviews. This reputation rests on the world's largest AI-powered design library, boasting over 380,000 distinct logo designs and over 1 million total assets across all categories. These are not static configurations. They are professional quality designs trained on global design expertise to ensure originality. The custom-trained AI ensures that every generated option is unique and completely commercially safe for real-world use. Once the initial options are generated, we can use intelligent AI editing through a simple chat interface. Instead of manual adjustments, we simply give explicit chat prompts like add a pine tree or change the circle to a square, and the AI applies these simple AI-guided edits instantly. Following the creation of a logo, the next step in building a business presence is establishing an online home. Instead of heading back to the landing page, we simply stay within our workspace dashboard and use the central Create New Design section to generate our next assets. Upon entering our specific industry, the platform intelligently creates designs for a full web page that automatically inherits the precise brand colors from our logo. This automated branding template ensures there is no disconnect between our physical identity and our digital space. The layout generated by the system is not just a collection of empty visual blocks. It uses intelligent content generation to fill the sections with relevant copy, professional layout compositions, and balanced structural elements tailored exactly to our business niche. We get a fully functional online presence that features built-in service descriptions, booking buttons, and designated areas for client testimonials from day one. The system allows us to customize the visual narrative easily through AI-powered customization, such as pulling relevant videos and images directly from their integrated library to swap background elements or banners without disrupting the visual harmony. When the structure satisfies our needs, we can publish the web page completely for free. The platform gives us the choice to either utilize a free domain provided directly by the system or smoothly link our own custom domain name to the site. This process removes the traditional friction of web development, allowing us to launch a beautiful, cohesive, and brand-ready landing page in a matter of minutes. Next, we must consider how we share our brand when meeting people face-to-face on the land. To keep our workflow moving without unnecessary steps, we can pull this feature directly from that same Create New Design panel. As soon as our primary brand assets are ready, the platform automatically populates a wide variety of card layouts with our business name, contact information, and chosen color palette. Every option feels unified because the cards draw their primary color tones and fonts directly from the main brand ecosystem we just built. We can pick the layout that best reflects our industry, and then we can apply simple edits to refine the text fields or shift the placement of information. A particularly useful feature here is the built-in QR code generator. Instead of forcing us to look for third-party software to create a digital link, the platform allows us to paste our website link directly into the workspace to generate an active, working QR code instantly on the card. Beyond digital downloads, the platform provides professional printing services to bring these designs into reality, offering free delivery on all printing orders to make the physical transition completely seamless. Moving forward into the digital wilderness, maintaining a consistent presence across modern networks requires a steady stream of visual content. The platform solves this demanding task through its dedicated social media section, where hundreds of tailored posts and stories are automatically prepared for immediate use. When we navigate to the Create New Designs button, we find specialized layouts that carry an explicit AI label. This label indicates that the platform has used its custom-trained system to automatically generate relevant copy, industry-specific vector shapes, and appropriate images based entirely on our business name, tagline, and industry keywords. These designs are fully plug-and-play, meaning they instantly adopt our logo and inherit the brand colors for flawless recognition across platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. The system covers everything from standard horizontal posts and flyers to vertical videos for TikTok and modern link in bio pages. This completeness is incredibly valuable because it removes the effort of reformatting text for different channels. The AI intelligently creates designs that maintain strict visual balance, ensuring that our messaging looks professional and cohesive, whether a customer sees it on a smartphone screen or a desktop monitor. It allows our people to focus entirely on the strategy of growing the business, while the system handles the visual delivery. In addition to these primary branding elements, the platform provides access to a comprehensive suite of over 50 design tools to support every operational need of a modern business journey. Within this expansive ecosystem, we can find advanced tools for creating professional presentations, letters, offline marketing posters, and promotional items. The diversity of the system extends deeply into extensive font and visual collections, featuring over 750 available fonts, with more than 525 of them being entirely exclusive to this platform, alongside 62,000 custom vector shapes. When it comes to taking our brand into the physical world, the printing services allow us to place our custom logos onto practical items like apparel, t-shirts, caps, cups, and mugs to build real-world recognition. When we are ready to download our assets, the system provides extensive file formats to suit every requirement, including raster options like PNG and JPG, scalable vector formats like SVG, EPS, and PDF for large printing, and even animated formats like GIF and MP4. So far, Design.com stands out as a highly efficient all-in-one AI design platform that delivers professional quality designs built for real businesses. By leading with advanced AI rather than static templates, it ensures your entire brand ecosystem remains original, cohesive, and commercially safe from day one. The seamless transition from custom logos created with AI to live websites and social assets makes it an excellent choice for anyone launching a new idea. We highly recommend exploring this smart system to simplify your professional branding journey today. Try it out and share your experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.